Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix TikTok notifications keep coming to email. Bombarded by notifications is quite annoying and sometimes keeps you distracted. So, here are the steps to stop TikTok notifications from going to your email on your mobile device. First is to unlock your Android phone and open the TikTok app. Tap the profile at the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines menu on the top right. Choose Settings and Privacy. Tap Notifications. Scroll down and tap Email Notifications. Turn off all email notifications option, like likes, comments, followers, promotions, etc. Now go back to Settings and Privacy. Tap Notifications. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap the TikTok Shop Notifications. Check if any promotional emails are enabled. If available, disable marketing, promotional emails, or order updates. Now, open your email app like Gmail or Yahoo. Open the TikTok email, then tap the unsubscribe to stop future emails. Extra tip, you can also block TikTok emails by creating a filter in Gmail to auto delete or send them to spam. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.